Hey guys, I'm in Alleppey and I'm staying in this place called Orchid Homestay. So this vlog is about the tour of this property. Here's the dog to welcome you. That's quite a welcome, huh? Compared to the other homestays that I saw around, this one is much better. So this is the area where you can chill. Look at the decoration here on the wall. Nice graffiti. A swing. Here's my bag. This is where I chill normally. Although I was sitting there also this morning, but this place is close to my tent. So this is my tent for 2 nights here. This is another tent. Now this property only has 2 tents and 2 rooms inside. Now this property is managed by a guy called Afzal, and if you check the reviews of this property on booking.com or any other website, you will see that people are praising Afzal left, right and center, and I can confirm that he is an awesome guy. This is a common area where you can recharge your batteries and generally chill. Look at this. The praises of Afzal everywhere. These are 2 rooms which are currently occupied by guests. Afzal is not here right now, and my friend is managing the property today. Hello.
Hi.
Tell them your name.
Shine.
Shine.
Yeah.
Shine, can I have black coffee?
Yeah.
Without sugar.
Yeah. I'll take it.
Thank you. Here we have a kitchen. Some nice graffiti here as well. I like the concept. Look at this. Kitchen rules. Look at the rules. This is their office. So it's quite a small property, nothing big. 2 rooms here, and here's the ukulele that I was playing this morning, and 2 tents. 2 rooms, 2 tents. And at night they light up. Where's the lantern? Yeah, this lantern. And if you see this light, it looks very pretty at night. This is what I was talking about. Look at how lit this place is and how pretty. So that's it for the property. Now coming to the cost. The tent cost me 300 rupees per night. If you want the room, which I can't show you right now because they are occupied, the room would cost you 1000 rupees per night, and the room is quite good. I showed you the graffiti and some artwork on the walls. The same kind of artwork is all over the walls inside the room, so it's not your typical room. The name of this place is Orchid Homestay, and I did my booking from booking.com. But when I arrived here in Alleppey, I was looking for this place on Google Maps. So I walked around, and during that time I saw other homestays around, and trust me guys, this is much better compared to the other homestays which I saw around this place. So that's it for the tour of this property. My coffee will be arriving at any time. So I'll sign off. Bye bye.